In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Zepto order history. To get started, open the Zepto app on your phone. Make sure you're using the app where you normally place your grocery or delivery orders. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account first. This is important because your order history is tied to your personal account, so you'll only be able to view past purchases after signing in. Once you're inside the app, look for the profile or account icon. In most cases, this is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your account section. This area usually contains your personal settings, saved addresses, payment preferences, and of course, your past orders. From there, select My Orders or simply Orders, depending on the version of the app you're using. The wording may vary slightly, but the option serves the same purpose. When you tap it, Zepto will open a list of your orders, including both current and previous ones. This is where you can quickly review recent deliveries or look back at older purchases. You'll now see your order history displayed on the screen. Take a moment to scroll through the list if needed. Each entry represents a separate order, and this makes it easy to find the one you want to review. If you're trying to confirm what you bought, check the delivery details, or verify payment information, this is the section you'll use. To view more information, tap on any individual order. Once open, you'll be able to see the items that were purchased in that order, which is helpful if you want to reorder something or double-check what was included. You can also view the order total, so you can confirm how much you spent. In addition to that, the order details page may show the delivery address used for that order, the payment method selected at checkout, and the order status. If an invoice is available, you may also be able to access it from this screen. This can be useful if you need a record of the purchase for personal tracking or expense purposes. And that's all it takes to check your Zepto order history. Just open the app, sign in if needed, go to your profile or account section, tap orders, and then open any order to see its full details. If the app layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry. The process is usually very similar, and the order section is typically easy to find once you're in your account area.